Hi guys, and welcome to another week in my life. So today, number one, we're going to buy a phone. Number two, we're running a bunch of errands, Simba errands. Say hi, Jatin.
Hi.
Adi. Yeah, so that's what we're doing, and I thought this was the perfect time to start the vlog. For some reason, I feel like I'm starting all of my vlogs in the car, but that's okay. So yeah, let's get started with the day and the vlog. Switched on my vlog camera again to like tell you guys that I'm wearing kajal after months. Probably even a year. I don't even remember when was the last time I wore a vlog. Wore a kajal.
पूरा vlog क्या बात है?
अरे वो पीछे मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा था.
The next day.
Hi guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday I came back home at like 10:30 and I was so tired I crashed. Couldn't like stay up to show you guys the phone, but here I am today. So this is the phone that I ended up getting. So this is the iPhone 11 and this is in like a lavender purple sort of a color. So originally I was supposed to get a white because that's just what I like and that's what I've always gotten. But I saw this lavender color, like the guy brought both the white and the lavender out and they were the same price. So I was like, why not? So yeah, that's my new phone. This is actually my first ever phone that I bought with my own money, so that's very exciting. I'm very excited about that. The reason why I actually got a new phone is because even though my iPhone 8 was working perfectly, it still is in perfect condition. I needed a spare phone, like I needed one more phone. So I thought instead of buying like a cheaper one, why not upgrade? Because my iPhone 8 works fine, it's great, but the camera quality isn't the best and I'm always taking, I at least try to take stories and pictures. So it's just nice to have a nice phone because otherwise I would always ask Aditya or any of my other friends for like them to lend me their phones for a while so that I can create some content and then I would airdrop it. It wasn't that big of a deal, but it's just nice to be able to have my own phone and be able to do that at my own convenience. So I picked this one up and I'm going to be using the iPhone 8 as like a spare backup. So yeah, I think that's it. It's actually a really good phone. You're probably wondering why I didn't get an iPhone 12. It's because उसमें कुछ नए features थे ही नहीं. Like I did so much of research and I just thought it was a better option to go for this one because it's cheaper, much cheaper than the iPhone 12. And yeah, of course the 12 probably has a better camera quality tad bit, but I was like, I'm gonna settle for an 11. So I think that's it. I don't think I have anything else to say about my phone. I'm gonna go have breakfast and get on with the day. Planner ka kaam start ho gaya hai. I'll fill you guys in on that in just a little bit, maybe tomorrow, but that's what I'm gonna do the whole of today, that's for sure. Oh, by the way, a lot of people on my stories were asking me, did I get like a trim? Did I trim my hair? Yes, very good observation skill. I actually vlogged it just randomly, so I'll insert that clip now.
Flashback.
Hi, so I'm about to start filming and I just have this urge to cut my hair. So I like trim my hair every month, but ever since like I've colored my hair, I haven't like trimmed it at all. But I just want to like cut a few inches off desperately. I low-key want to go this short, too short right now for me. Okay, so much better. I don't think I'm gonna cut any more for now. My hair already feels so much nicer, so yeah. So that's it. Wanted to show you guys my OOTD, which is always PJs. So these are from November Bond Designs. I get 99% of my PJs from them. These are so cute. They have like a makeup print all over them. Of course, I'll leave their Instagram in the description box below. But I need to like understand how can I remove this from my mirrors. Like I've been trying to get rid of this for weeks at this point. यहाँ पर भी है, but I'm unable to get rid of this. So please let me know how I can do that in the comments down below. But for today, I'm just gonna go do some planner work the whole of today. And I don't think I'm gonna vlog anything because क्या vlog करूँ उसमें. So I think I'll catch you guys tomorrow. It's the next day and it's a very important day. So today I am going to actually start drawing and painting for the planner. It took me a really long time to get like the right idea and the right theme for this planner, but I think I've nailed it. I just need to get on with it. I've been doing a lot of graphic designing work, which by the way blows my mind how Aditya and I, both of us, have never learned graphic designing ever. We don't even know how to use Photoshop. We didn't rather know how to use Photoshop. We googled everything and we just watched like tutorials of kaise karna hai YouTube pe, and now we can like full on design planners. We still have to like Google every now and then, honestly, but we've figured it out. So that's really cool to me. That's what we've been doing every day. But aaj I need to like get on with it and like start painting. If you didn't know, our planners are handmade, hand painted, all of that, and my friend Krishi is the one who would do all the main artworks. But this year, unfortunately, I don't think she's going to be able to help us out with the major chunk of it. So my Masi is actually going to help us out with all the artworks, I think most of them at least. So she's actually an artist and she's very, very creative. I think that's where I get my creativity from, genetically at least, and also I've grown up with her, so I think that's where I get it from probably. But she's so talented. I already know she's gonna kill it. She's been sending me like images of her drawings so far, and I think आज आएंगे वो drawings. आज मुझे monthly spreads करने हैं, तो उसका swatching मुझे करना है. I don't really do like the hardcore like painting and the artworks because I just don't think I'm that good for it to be like printed in the planners. But I'm pretty good with like watercolors, at least that's what I like to think. So I every year do the watercolor wala part of the planner. So yeah, just need to go and get on with it. I'm gonna go have some breakfast, change, naha leti hu, and then we'll get on with it. So this is what all the colors look like. I'm done with all 12 shades. I think it turned out really pretty. So I've started working on the stickers. I like this one, I like this one. I'm gonna redo this. I don't like the way this has turned out. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. What are you doing?
The calendars.
He's doing the graphic
Design.
yeah. So some of the drawings just came in. Remember, all of these are unfinished, detailing baki hai, but rough drawing hai. But the rough drawing is also so beautiful. My Masi's done such a good job. This is Greece. This, I mean, I like to call it Bali. I love this. This is my favorite one. I don't think इसमें कुछ भी detailing करने का ज़रूरत है. It's perfect the way it is. This is also really pretty. This is, I think, my second favorite. London है ये. Krishi is here as well. बहुत मस्त किया है Eiffel Tower. And right now we're trying to work on Northern Lights, failing miserably. That's the only thing that's actually left. ये वाला अच्छा है वैसे काफी, इसका ही बेटर, बट ये तू क्यों नहीं कर रही है डार्क वर्जन में? अच्छा है ये. Hi guys, welcome to the next day. So I woke up like half an hour ago, watered all of my plants, had some coffee, and I received this in my mail from Wow. They sent me this Diwali hamper. It has a bunch of like Upton based products. So I was about to do a face mask, so I thought I should switch on my camera and do it with you guys. So I'm using this Wow's Upton face and body pack. So all Wow products are free from any parabens, mineral oils and silicone. So the main key ingredients of this pack are chickpea flour, there's turmeric in here, saffron, almond extracts, rose water and sandalwood oil. So really good clean ingredients. By the way, this face mask smells so festive, perfect for this time of the year. I'm gonna check in with you guys in 15 minutes. So my skin's looking really nice. I needed this because my skin has been feeling very dull. I haven't been getting a lot of sleep either. So this was nice. I'm gonna follow it up with this Wow's Upton serum. I anyway love Wow serums. I use the tea tree one every single day, so I do know this is gonna be nice as well. This range is meant to give you like a glow, like radiance from within. Everyone wants to achieve that glow, especially this time of the year. Trust me you guys, if you have oily skin and if you're looking for a serum, you have to try these Wow serums out because it literally feels like there's nothing on your skin. And having oily skin, that's the feeling that I like. I don't like to have like a layer of grease on top of my skin. Wow is an Indian brand and all their products are manufactured in India. So in case you want to support this brand, you can use my code Mridul Sharma 20 to get a 20% off. All these products are available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. All the links are always mentioned in the description box below, so go check it out. So I think I'm gonna go have some lunch. I'm gonna have lunch early because I am hungry, and I also need to get on with the planner work. It's literally me doing planner work every single day. So having some lunch, roti, bhindi ki sabzi, dal, which is like my favorite combo. We also have some salad and chas. I'm excited for this. So I've been collecting quite a few clips from the past week, and I've been meaning to give you guys like a house update. So here are a bunch of random clips that I've been recording around my house in order to give you guys an update on the different parts of my house. So here, as you can see, Jatin is building some IKEA furniture. So yeah, there's some new furniture, there are some new additions to the house. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this house update of sorts. Finally, the whole thing is built. I honestly would not have been able to do this without Aditya and Jatin. They've done such a good job, and it took them at least an hour, I think an hour and a half to build the whole thing. And this is, by the way, not where it's gonna stay, but yeah, it turned out so good. I'll make sure to link this Alex 9 drawer in the description box below. Thank you, JP.
You're welcome.
It looks so nice. You guys have probably seen this already in my Amazon haul, but yeah, this is what the product looks like assembled. Also, excuse the mess. We just have a bunch of parcels that we need to ship out. Hopefully कल हो जाएंगे, but so cute.
और मैं ऐसा करके थोड़ा अंदर तक यहाँ पे ऐसे क्रॉस में लेके आऊंगा यहाँ तक. पीछे कांच भी संभालना है.
धीरे 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 धीरे. So this is what the shelves look like. I think they look really nice, and it's gonna be really useful. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, you know I was gonna use these for my shoes as like a shoe closet, but I had to give them up for like storage for Simba.
I had to give them up for like storage of Simba.
So here we have some more trunks. The trunks have restocked in case you want to get your hands on them. And then this is the rest of the room. Yes, we need to do a lot of work right here. A lot of organization still needs to be done. So this is the after. The area looks so open and almost bigger also. So I have ordered something for this wall. I think it should be here today, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's here.
2 hours later.
It's here. You guys can't really see. Actually you can. They can see it, but it's okay. ये wall पे लगने वाला है. So we just got printouts for this gallery wall of sorts. एक missing था, एक printout, so I just like free-handed this drawing that I saw on Pinterest. So this is what the frame looks like, and this is what the whole gallery wall looks like. This is a huge spoiler, so perks of watching a vlog, I guess. So this is my cute kitchen nook. So here I have my green tea, my coffee, nuts, यहाँ पे sugar है, my kettle, and here I have my spices, very limited spices. So here I have namak, lal mirchi, turmeric and jeera. इसमें काढ़ा powder है, ghee, and then some tea leaves, and my most favorite seasoning, which I use literally every single day. That's really about it for like the kitchen update. Why are you here? Tell everyone, why are you here?
I'm here to study.
Yeah, in the balcony, because apparently घर पे he can't concentrate. Please excuse my kitchen. I know it's a mess. Chai looks nice. सब लोग टेस्ट कर रहे हैं. Hurry up, guys. Come on. सच्ची की है इससे.
Actually, it tastes good.
It's because of the chai patti, not him. I think this has to be one of my like favorite parts of the day. I'm just having some coffee and some cinnamon toast crunch, which is my favorite cereal. I've been kind of like switching having coffee from like morning to evenings. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna have. Hi guys, so as you can see I'm back home. I've been home for quite a few days actually, I think a week also at this point. But what I've been doing is I've been going through so many dummies. I've gone through 5 dummies at this point. There's just been so much back and forth. So today, Finally, I'm going to be giving you guys a flip through of the 2021 planner. I honestly love the way it's turned out, so I'm going to give you a detailed tour of what the book looks like from the inside. Okay, so this is what the 2021 planner looks like. Just like all of our previous covers, this too has like a vintage vibe to it. This is a caravan or a trailer, and here it says travel within. Bear in mind, this is not a travel planner, but I have added a lot of travel elements because I feel like in 2020 we've missed that, and all of us need a little bit of that in our lives in 2021. So I'm just manifesting a little bit of travel for all of us. By the way, with this planner you will also get a pen free. This is what the pen looks like. It's our classic Simba Lifestyle pen, and it also has a stylus at the back, so you can use this to use your phone basically. Let me give you guys like an example. Like, it works. It does work, trust me. Well, that's not it. You also are gonna get 4 sticker sheets. So the first 2 are actually really fun and quirky ones, which you can use on your laptop, your phone case, anywhere. You can be as creative as you want. We've added some of our like classic pieces, like we have the typewriter, then we have our car, and then these 2 are for you to use inside your planner. So for example, here it says to do, remember, gratitude, urgent, हॉलीडे, टू बाय, वीकेंड, बर्थडे, बिग डे. तो आप एक्चुअली इसको यूज कर सकते हो आपके प्लानर के अंदर. So let's say tomorrow you have a really big assignment to submit, or you have some project, you can use this sticker, the big day sticker. Or for example, it's gonna be your sister's wedding, for example. So you can again use this. This was really important to me because I did not want this to be just a planner. I want this to be kind of like your diary, wherein you can go back and look back at your 2021, your whole year. You could totally write down what happens every day of your life and use this as like a record diary also. Oh, by the way, we also have these monthly separators this time. We've never had this in our previous planners, but it was important for me to add this January, February, March wala tab separators. We still do have a pocket. By the way, the same pocket is in the front also. Last year सिर्फ पीछे था, इस बार आगे और पीछे दोनों है. And of course, there's a cute bookmark also. Finally, let's get started with the tour of the planner. Okay, so this is what the first page looks like. Very colorful, very Simba Lifestyle. It just says the 2021 planner. Next page again is like an introduction. Here it says travel with your heart and explore with your soul. And here it says 2021 belongs to. Basically, you're supposed to write down your name, and then whatever information that you want to add, you can jot that down as well. And here we just have the credits. In case you're new, you've never bought a Simba Lifestyle planner, or you've never heard about it, our planners are completely hand-drawn and hand-painted. Like for example, this watercolor work on the edges is also done. It's done by me actually. So yeah, everything's hand-done except of course the font that is typed. And then here we just have a cute note from me and Aditya. Here we have the vision board. So basically, vision board mein you're just supposed to stick images of what you're trying to manifest. If you don't want to do printouts, you can also just write down things that you want to manifest. That works as well. It's totally up to you. Goals for 2021. It's a little reminder to keep you focused on your path all year round. So here we have word of the year, travel, personal, fitness, finance, career. और यहाँ पे 2 मैंने empty छोड़ दिए so that you can actually like customize it. So I can put down YouTube for example here, or I could put down Instagram. You can customize it to your life. Actually, I'm gonna fill one out. So I'm filling out the travel wala section, and I'm gonna write Goa and Maldives because I really want to go there in 2021. Next we have this year I will start, quit, learn, try, visit, improve, avoid. So you just fill it out accordingly. And here we have my favorite page. We've had this page from our first planner. This is our wish list. It's our needs and wants ka section. I think all of us tend to get really confused about our needs and our wants. So it's just nice to like segregate and write down what you actually need versus what you want. Like for example, I really want a Dyson vacuum cleaner, but I don't know if I need it. but I really want it. On to the next page. This is a new page, new addition to the planner. My year in Polaroid. So basically, I wanted to add like a scrapbook edition to this planner. So every month, even if you don't, by the way, have a Polaroid, that's fine. You can take printouts also of your pictures from that month. Like say I graduated in January, for example. I can stick that in here and it's just gonna look so beautiful by the end of it, because you're gonna have a really nice memory from each month. And then it continues here, and then here we have 21 things to do before 2021 ends. Again, a new addition to the planner. Very excited about this because I love making these kinds of lists, so I need to sit down and fill this out as well. Then of course we have the year at a glance. We have Sare Mahine ka calendar right here, all 12 months. This is what the January spread looks like. For all the months, there's a really cute quirky quote right here, and then the artwork. So here's the really cool part. All the artworks are printed on a super thick paper. So once you're done with the month, you can tear this out, cut it out, and use it as, say, decor. If that's what you want, you can frame these, hang them up on your walls, or if you're old school like me, you can collect postcards. It's a postcard also, so it's like a 2-in-1. Actually, let me show you some of my favorite artworks. So I really like January. It's fabulous. I think it turned out so nice. But I will say February has my heart. I don't know what it is about this artwork. I am in love with this. It's so pretty. You've seen this Greece one also already. Of course, I had to add Greece in September in my birthday month. This is the last artwork that I'm going to show you because I don't want to give too much away. So Aditya ka birthday month is May and he really wanted India ka artwork in May. So this is the Patrika Gate. I think this also turned out so beautiful. It's so intricate and so well done. And then on the right side we have the monthly goals section. So monthly goals for your life, your health, or your work. Next we have the monthly spread. I feel like we've really nailed this format and you guys really like it. There's enough space in each box for you to like just jot down briefly of like certain events that are happening in the month. And then of course we have loads of space for you guys to write down every day ka like weekly spread hai basically. So you can write your to-do list for the day here or anything important of course that you want to mention. All of these weekly spreads, by the way, are different in color. So January is orange, इसके लिए orange है यहाँ पे. ये दूसरा महीना है. This is a beautiful lavender. All the colors are different. There are pinks, there are teals. It's a colorful planner, of course. So yeah, this is what the weekly spread looks like. There's enough space for you to write down every day ka kaam. And then here we have the expense tracker and the budget tracker. So there are two different types of financial trackers for you to use. I've given a small introduction for you to understand ki kaise kya karna hai. It's very straightforward, don't worry. And then here we have the habit tracker. Again, you guys really wanted me to add a habit tracker even this year, so I've kept it in. And then we have the monthly checkup. I really like to have a monthly checkup because it just keeps you in check, you know. When the month ends, it's nice to reflect back on the month and plan ahead for the next month. And then February start hota hai and then the whole thing repeats. Now this is a new addition to the planner. Right after June ends, right after the 6 months end, there's like a memory collection. The name basically gives it away. You're supposed to write a memory from each of your previous months, and as it says here, you can use your camera roll to jog your memory. You can write something that you're grateful from the previous months, and then here we have the mid-year goals. So basically 6 months khatam ho gaye. Ab it's time to plan for your next 6 months. So here you're basically supposed to write down everything you would like to achieve in the next 6 months, and you can categorize your goals. So here I have given 8 different boxes for you to categorize it however you want. So you can do financial, personal, fitness, whatever. Again, I've purposely left these empty because I wanted you guys to be able to really categorize it and really personalize it according to your lives. Now towards the end of the planner, I have given a few travel sheets. So यहाँ पे you can really categorize your budget. Like if you're trying to go on like a budget trip, this is going to be really helpful because it helps you categorize your transportation, hotel, food, shopping, all of that. And then you can write down here things that you need to see, things that you want to eat or shop. And then here we have a to-do list for your travel. So your packing list essentially. And यहाँ पे भी मैंने थोड़े categories दे दिए जैसे clothes and shoes, tech accessories, other essentials, accessories and toiletries. I've given quite a few sheets. so that even if you are going to travel a lot, there are loads of sheets for you to use. In the end, again, we have the memory collection for the next 6 months, and then here we have the 2021 in review. It just asks you a bunch of different questions, helps you really reflect back on your year, and of course give gratitude. End mein maine empty pages chhod diye so that you can jot down whatever it is that you need to jot down. That's it for the 2021 planner. I really hope you guys liked the 2021 planner. Talking about the price, this does retail for 799 rupees. For that you will get the planner, the pen, 4 sticker sheets, and also this does have 12 postcards inside. You don't have to pay anything more than 799. We have free shipping, so we're not gonna ask you for 100 or 200 rupees extra for shipping. This includes everything. All you need to pay is 799. By the way, this offer is valid only till the 25th of November, after which the price will be increased to 1000 rupees, 999 rupees. So I guess make the most of it. All you need to do is DM us on Simba Lifestyle, and that's how we take our orders. I think that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my week in my life. I gave a lot of like insight into how we made the planner, so I hope you guys enjoyed like the behind the scenes of how the planner is made. And of course, I really hope you guys liked our 2021 planner. We really truly have poured our heart into it, and I hope you guys can see that as well. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.
I'll take you there.